The systems that we create, which are very unique at CTI, these are what we call learning systems. We set an engine out, it starts reading at light speed every article it can read. It's learned its own material, it becomes an expert in the field. That gives you the opportunity to see patterns that maybe you never saw before and then can act on them. That's what CTI is about. It's turning big data into information and information into knowledge. CTI is the largest publisher in terms of volume in the world of higher educational material. We've reduced it down to an individual instructor has all the tools and power needed using simple point-and-click technology to assemble a course from the knowledge bases created from our AI system in matters of seconds. We're working also in fields, for example, in the legal world. Our systems are capable of gathering all that research and putting it into the attorney's hands in seconds. We're looking at every physician having a personal research assistant sitting on their desk where they can get accurate information immediately. Patterns are important because patterns are what we predict behavior from. We look at the world of insurance where you have, again, a big data situation. Looking at insurance fraud, CTI AI systems can penetrate the insurance world and take the cost completely out of that and increase the accuracy. One of the entities that we know that are working in similar kinds of technology is the Department of Defense. And one of the reasons they're doing that is they need their drones to be independent, not be run by a centralized database or a remote operator. They have to be able to act on their own. NASA is doing similar work in deep space. Well, what is a deep learning system going to do? You have the capability of a computer learning those patterns. It can look at elements that basically affect the outcome of any kind of application, whether it be agriculture or whether it would be a manufacturing plant. It's going to look at patterns that contribute to successful outcomes. So let's look at a very large issue that troubles everybody today: security. Right? Whether it's individual security in your home, or whether it's your country's security, or whether it's terrorism. Deep learning systems have the capability of identifying those patterns faster than any human will ever be able to do. And if it can provide its reports in a very quick way, we might be able to cut down on the terrorism today. The sky's kind of the limit with this. When we're freed up to do things, we get creative. We create then the new industries that are in the future for us. We create new job opportunities. The human expectations of what these systems are, we're not creating a science fiction world. We're basically giving people the tools they want to use today.